Hello and welcome my all dear second standard little champs. How are you all? Are you all watching the video lecture carefully? And are you all taking care of yourselves? Yes, these two things are the things which I ask you in all the lectures daily. So my dear little champs, I hope that you are taking very good care of yourselves and of your family members too. And I also hope you are not going out unnecessarily so as to invite diseases during this pandemic at your house. So my dear little champs, in the previous few lectures we have done grammar part in which the chapter was number 8, simple past tense. So now after finishing that chapter, all the exercises of that chapter and even the worksheet of that chapter, I think that now we should again come back to our English part, so that we have to be fair with both the subjects, English and grammar. So my dear all second standard little champs, I welcome you once again in second standard English class. Now you might be wondering that, sir, what are we going to do in our English? Previously we have completed chapter number 6. So now what are we supposed to do now in this lecture? So what are we going to do is new lesson 7, Kim's hungry pet. Yes, Kim's hungry pet. Now don't go to eat the food as soon as you heard hungry. Please stay here and watch the lecture very carefully because it is going to be really very interesting. So my dear little champs, today keep your grammar book aside. A lot of past tense, verbs, this and that we have done. Now it's time for solving and understanding the beautiful story of a pet. So my first request to you all is, take out your rough book and textbook. I will wait for a while as I do always. You just need your rough book and your textbook, obviously English textbook. And as soon as you take your textbook, please open page number 58, lesson 7, A World of Pets. Lesson name is Kim's Hungry Pet. Like I always give you time for a few seconds in all the lectures to get ready with your textbook, so I hope that you are understanding all the instructions and are obeying the same. Now I suppose that you should have taken out your books and are ready with all the stuff needed with you. So now my dear students, I am going to display the textbook with you. Now what are we going to do first of all after I display the textbook on the screen is, I am going to read this lesson and underline the hard words. You have to also write the hard words in your rough notebook compulsorily. Yes, I repeat, you don't have to underline the hard words, you have to write the hard words in your rough book. I will be repeating all the hard words twice after reading it at the end of the lesson. So please make sure that you are also writing the hard words, and then if the time is left, we will carry on with meanings and give one word, so that you know, as my method is same for always all the lectures. First of all, if you are familiar with the hard words, meanings and give one word, then to understand the lesson, to read the lesson will be easier for you. That is the only reason why I always give you these three things beforehand. Now my dear students, as you can see, the textbook is right here on the screen. I hope that you have taken out page number 58, English textbook, lesson 7, world of pets. The name of the lesson is Kim's Hungry Pet. Now, let us first solve the warm-up exercise. And before that, I'd like to ask you one simple question. I hope you all are ready to answer. What is the meaning of pet? What is the meaning of pet? Do you know what is the meaning of pet? If you don't know, let me tell you. The animal which you keep at your home and you keep always with you, you feed them the food, you wash them, you make them bath, you keep them as your family members, is called a pet. Now, be it a dog, goat, cat, whichever pet animal you like, you can keep at your home. So actually the animal which you keep at your house is called pet. Short and sweet definition is this. So now I hope that you understood the meaning of pet. Now another question to you. What do you mean by hungry? What do you mean by hungry? So whenever, now the school is closed, but whenever the school was open, and as soon as you reached home, immediately you would say that, Mom, give me some food, give me something to eat. Why? Because you are hungry, your stomach is empty. So you want to eat something. So that is called hungry. So now you will say that, sir, what is the meaning of Kim's Hungry Pet? So students, let me tell you, Kim's Hungry Pet. Here Kim, K-I-M. Kim is a name of a girl, a very innocent girl. And Kim's Hungry Pet means the hungry pet is of girl named Kim. So this is the outline of the story. So the story is all about Kim's pet who is always hungry, who wants to always eat. And I am very sure that now in this lockdown, if you are at your home, you also might be your mom's hungry children. Isn't it so? Always munching some or the other thing. Jokes apart, so now I hope you know the meaning of this heading, Kim's Hungry Pet. So let us see what warm-up exercise has brought for us. It is going to be really very fun. Oh, really very interesting pictures. So students, what can you see in the picture? Can you see a girl is there playing with a dog? Girl is there combing the hair of dog. One girl is there who is making her dog take bath. One girl is pouring the milk, serving the milk to the dog. Here the girl is sleeping on the lawn with her dog, and here the girl is playing with the dog. So my dear students, here the boxes are given. So what will you do if you have the pet dog or any pet? So if you will comb their hair, put tick mark here. If you will make them take bath, then tick mark over here. If you will play with them, tick mark near the playing picture. If you will sleep with them, tick mark on this picture. And if you will feed them with the milk, tick mark over here. So you have to just put a tick mark near the activity picture, whichever you wish or you are doing with your pet dog, pet cat, or whichever pet animal you have. So this is what you are going to do and send it to your follow-up teachers. This is really a fun activity, so I hope that you will surely send it to your follow-up teachers. So now the time starts here where you have to underline the hard words and write it down. Now whether you want to underline or not, the choice is yours, but you have to write the hard words in your rough notebook. So quickly take out your rough notebook, open your rough notebook and give the heading hard words. Lesson number 7, hard words. Give the heading lesson number 7, hard words. So here I am going to read the story and I am going to underline the hard words simultaneously. Together, both the things I will do. So please make sure whenever I am reading, you have to listen to me very carefully so that you don't miss out writing any hard word. Also, you can learn the pronunciation, how to pronounce the word if you don't know in any case. So please first of all give the heading lesson 7, hard words. I hope that you are ready with your rough notebook and you are waiting for me to read the story and give you the hard words. I will zoom in the picture or zoom it out, the textbook, whenever needed, wherever necessary, I will fill. So here, if you can see the picture, which animal is there in the picture? Can you see, my dear students? Yes. So which animal is this? Exactly, what you said is right. Now let's see what you said is right or not reading this story. So this is very clear that the girl standing, the name of this girl is Kim, Kim, and here this is the pet. So let's get started with reading and highlighting and writing the hard words. Now here the story is all upon the diary Kim used to write. Yes, a diary. If you can see that this page is in the shape of diary, correct? So this whole story comes from the diary Kim used to write daily. So every time the day will be written and inside the diary written contained by Kim will be written. Let us read it. Saturday. Dear diary, I got a goat today. Everyone says she is kind of strange looking. I think she is beautiful. I am going to name her Happy. She is going to stay out in the field during the day. At night, I will bring her into the barn. She is very small, but I think she is quite strong. Kim. So on Saturday, Kim has written these many things in her diary page. Now let us underline the hard words and write it down. Here the first spelling is goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Students, please write it down. G-O-A-T, goat. I hope that you are writing the hard words. I am going to give you sufficient time so that at least you can write the hard word one time in your rough notebook. G-O-A-T, goat. Okay. So my dear students, I hope that you have written this spelling. Number 1 hard word was goat. Now number 2, strange. Number 2, strange. S-T-R-A-N-G-E, strange. Please note down the hard words in the sequence I am giving you in your rough notebook. As you know that few things will only be given in the video lecture and not in the PDF form. So please make sure you don't miss out writing anything. Strange. Number 3 hard word is barn. B-A-R-N, barn. Yes, it is not barn, it is barn. R is half silent, barn. I hope you are writing this number 3, B-A-R-N, barn. Moving forward, let us see what has Kim written on Sunday. Sunday. Dear Diary, I spent most of today showing Happy around the farm. It was easy. She followed me everywhere. She even tried to come into the house for dinner. I fed her an apple and she stayed at the entrance making goat sounds. Then she ate the flowers in the yard. And a card that I had in my pocket is missing. I noticed that it was gone after Happy poked her nose into my coat. Okay, so here you have written 3 hard words. Now 4th hard word is entrance. E-N-T-R-A-N-C-E, entrance. Please write it down, students. Number 4 hard word is entrance. E-N-T-R-A-N-C-E, entrance. Okay. Number 5 hard word is pocket. Number 5 hard word is pocket. P-O-C-K-E-T, pocket. Yes, because many students are writing the spelling of pocket as P-O-K-E-T, which is incorrect. So sometimes even if the spelling and the words are very common, still you sometimes forget it. So you must practice that as a hard word. Number 6 hard word is poked. P-O-K-E-D, poked. P-O-K-E-D, poked. This way we have written 6 hard words from page number 59, that is from the first page of the lesson. Actually it is second, but the lesson starts from 59 page only. Now on the next page, let us continue. Now what has she written on Monday? Let us see. Monday. Dear Diary, I stayed in the barn last night with Happy. She seemed a bit lonely. I fed her carrots and hay. She liked the hay. I am not sure about the carrots. Today after school, my friend Jane came over. Jen fed her a handful of grass. Happy really likes to eat. She also nibbled on Jen's shoelaces and chewed a hole in one of her mittens. Kim. Okay, students, you have written 6 hard words till now. Here, 7th hard word is carrot. Actually, it is carrots. C-A-R-R-O-T-S, carrots. Some of you pronounce it as carrots. Carrots. I hope you all are writing this number 7 hard word, carrots. Okay, if you have written that, the next hard word is fed. F-E-D, fed, means to give something to eat. Fed, F-E-D. So this is the past form of feed. F-E-D, fed. The next hard word is shoelace. The next hard word is shoelace, shoelace. I hope you are writing shoelace, shoelace. So carrots was number 7, fed number 8, shoelace number 9. Now let us see what has she written on Tuesday. Tuesday. Dear diary, I did my homework in the barn to spend time with Happy. I read it to her and she seemed to like it. But I had to sleep in the house because I had all sorts of bugs bites on me from sleeping in the barn. Goats are hard work. Kim. Do you think Kim took her homework to school? Read her mother's diary note for her teacher. Okay, now you have written 9 hard words till now. So here 10th hard word is bug. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. So students, now comes her mother's diary. Wednesday. Dear Miss Granger, Kim does not have her homework today. Her goat ate it last night. She will submit it tomorrow. Sincerely, Carol Gray, Kim's mom. Adapted from readworks.org. So here the 11th hard word is submit. S-U-B-M-I-T, submit. This is number 11th hard word. S-U-B-M-I-T. I hope you have written this. Number 12, sincerely. Please write it down. S-I-N-C-E-R-E-L-Y, sincerely. I hope these hard words will help you in better pronunciation and spelling. Once you will know how to pronounce, how to read, you will be able to read the lesson very easily. So my dear students, I hope that you have finished writing all the hard words with me. Once again, I will repeat all the hard words so that you will be able to verify what have you written and what have you missed. And if more than 2 or 3 spellings are missed, you can again watch the video lecture. Okay, number 1 hard word on page number 59 is goat. Number 2, strange. Number 3, barn. Number 4, entrance. Number 5, pocket. Number 6, poked. Then number 7 hard word is carrots. Number 7 hard word is carrots. Number 8 hard word is fed. F-E-D, fed. It's not fade, it's fed. Number 9, shoelace. Number 9, shoelace. Number 10, bug. Number 10, bug. Number 11, submit. And number 12, sincerely. So these 12 hard words I hope that you have written in your rough notebook now. So in homework you have to read these spellings. Also make sure you read the lesson carefully. The lesson is all about how Kim meets the pet goat and how she keeps her, what fun they do together. As you can see in the warm-up exercise also, that keeping a pet is a really fun thing. You can really pass your time very happily, and also positivity stays around you. So what activity Kim does for her goat, pet goat, and what name Kim gives her. Generally when you keep the pet, you really are very excited to keep the name, to give the name to them. So these all things you will be able to understand in the next lecture of explanation video. So I hope that you have done all the things, you have underlined and written the hard words, and like I said, if you are not able to write any of the hard words, you can watch the video lecture once again. So my dear students, thank you for watching this video lecture. I hope you had a lot of fun. Make sure you send your work to the follow-up teachers without fail. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Stay safe.